Good evening, students. Here is a case of succession planning, which is the next topic that we shall be doing. The die was cast. Premnath Diwan, executive chairman of Vertigo, the country's largest engineering project, decided to switch track for a career in academics. Diwan was still 6 years short of his company's retirement age of 65. His premature exit was bound to create a flutter in the Vertigo board. Vertigo is the company name of the company. Having joined Vertigo as a management trainee soon after college, he has gradually risen from the hierarchy to a board position as the marketing director of the firm at 32. He has become the president 5 years later and the youngest chairman of the company at 45. So this means that Prem Diwan has risen very fast. He is a very capable person and he has risen to become the chairman of the company at 45. By the time he was 50, his whiz kid has acquired a larger-than-life image of a role model for a younger manager and a statesman who symbolized the best and brightest face of the Indian management. So he became so famous that people were looking towards him as a role model, Mr. Diwan, Premnath Diwan. So this is how he moved in the hierarchy. Now, on his wife's suggestion, that would be wise to discuss the move with one of the trusted colleagues before making a formal announcement of his intention to seek premature retirement. यानी कि he is going to seek premature retirement at the age of 50. So Diwan called Ramchand Saxena solicitor, यानी कि एक advocate है who has been on Vertigo's board for over a decade. So he is also an experienced person. Saxena was surprised at Diwan's plan because when he announced his retirement plan, everybody was surprised. He was doing so fine. At the age of 50, he is the chairman. But he was unfazed, यानी कि he was undeterred, यानी कि he went with his plan. If that is what you want to do for the rest of life, we can only wish you well, he told him. यानी कि the solicitor told him कि ठीक है, if that is what you want, we wish you all the best. The board will miss you, but the business should go on. So board of directors will miss you, but the business should go on. We should get down to the task of choosing a successor. The sooner it becomes, the better. यानी कि he was suggesting, वो ये बोल रहा था कि भाई आपके बाद कौन इस कुर्सी को संभालेगा, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सिंस वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस सक्सेशन प्लानिंग, ये वाला मैंने आप लोगों को पहले भी सेंड किया था. आई विल व्हाट्सएप इट ऑल्सो. नाउ आई थिंक द चॉइस इज ऑब्वियस, सेट दीवान. राजन वॉरियर ये नाम है उसका. दीवान वॉज टेकन बैक टू सी सक्सेना ग्रीमेज, ये मुंह बना रहा था. यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट हिम, डू यू? ही आस्क्ड. नो, सेट सक्सेना. ही इज गुड, a financial strategist and a visionary. His conceptual skills have served the company well, but he has always had the staff role with no line experience. What we need is someone from the operations like Richard Cresta. So the financial advisor, he was not agreeing with the name of Rajan Warrior to succeed him. Rather, he was liking Richard Cresta. He was another person at the topmost level, right? And whenever you say that and here I would like to clarify what is the line and staff. You see, like HR, like finance, these are all, let's say there is a factory, it is manufacturing something. So HR, finance, marketing, these are all what? These are, you can say, these are the staff role. Whereas line people are those who are actually involved in producing the goods. He can be engineer, he can be production manager, it can be the production department. Depending upon the nature of the industry, we can determine the line and staff experience. So he is saying that he has always has a staff role with no line experience, यानी कि actual work को execute करने का experience उसके पास नहीं है. What we need is someone from operations. Operations यानी कि जो actually production वगैरह देखता है, like Richard Cresta. So he was suggesting Rajan Warrior name. The chairman was Diwan was suggesting Rajan Warrior's name, and he was suggesting Richard Cresta's name. So Richard knows things inside out, said Diwan, but he is just a doer, not fire in the belly. Vertigo needs someone who understands the value of power and knows how to use them, like me, like Rajan. So he was suggesting that he may be a doer or whatever, practical person, but he does not possess those kind of skills, so-called, leadership skills to be the chairman of the company. So now that is just the problem, said Saxena. Prem, let me tell you something. Rajan is a man in your own image. Everyone knows that he is your protege. Protege यानी कि एक तरह से उसको follow करने वाला. And proteges are never popular. He has generated a lot of resentment among senior Vertigo executive, and there would be a revolt if he was to succeed. तो ही वाज सजेस्टिंग कि सर जिसका आप सजेस्ट कर रहे हो अगर वो बना तो वो जानते हैं कि वो आपका फॉलोअर है, तो देयर विल बी अ रिवॉर्ड इन द बोर्ड. सो एन एक्सोडस इज समथिंग वी कैनॉट अफोर्ड टू हैव एट आवर हैंड. एक्सोडस का मतलब मास स्केल में लोग अगर छोड़ के चले जाएं कंपनी को तो उसको बोलते हैं. सो वी शुड थिंक ऑफ समवन एल्स इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट. सो ही सक्सेना इज सजेस्टिंग कि नहीं, इसकी जगह किसी और व्यक्ति को हमें चुनना चाहिए. Diwan could not believe what he heard. He has always prided himself on his hands-on style and thought he has his ear to the ground. How could I lose touch? He wondered, somewhat shaken. अब ये थोड़ी इंग्लिश है समझने की कि he was saying कि he is a person who knows very well what the people are like, right? So how could I lose touch? तो ये कह रहा है कि उसकी इमेज इस तरह की है बाकी लोगों में, ये मुझे पता नहीं था. He wondered, somewhat shaken. We will continue in the another lecture only.